Hello everyone, this is Vibha Arora. Today we are going to discuss the topic human heart. The heart of a human is same as size of a human fist. The human heart has 4 chambers. Here as you can see these are the 4 chambers 1, 2, 3 and 4. These above 2 chambers are the auricles and these lower 2 chambers are the ventricles. As it is the left side of our heart, so this upper one is left auricle, this lower one is left ventricle. And as this is the right side of our heart, this upper one is right auricle and this lower one is right ventricle. Now what are the functions of these 2 chambers? Auricles receive the blood and ventricles pump the blood. I repeat, auricles receives the blood and ventricles pump the blood. Now, oxygenated blood flows in the left side of our heart. Deoxygenated blood flows in the right side of the heart. Here the septum or the wall partition makes sure that these 2 blood remains completely separated in our body. Why is it so important? As we human beings are warm-blooded and to get constant energy and to maintain our body temperature, these 2 bloods, that is oxygenated and deoxygenated, must remain completely separated in our body. Here you can see there is no complete separation between the auricles and the ventricles. As you can see here, blood can pass from auricles to ventricles and these get separated by the valves. Now what are the valves? Valves are the flap-like structure that allows the blood to pass only in one direction. That is, it prevents the backflow of the blood. Now there are 4 valves in our heart. This V1 valve is bicuspid or the mitral valve. This V2 valve is tricuspid. V3 is aortic valve. And V4 is pulmonary valve. Now let us first understand these 2 valves. The bicuspid valve separate the auricle, left auricle from left ventricle, and the tricuspid valve separates right auricle from right ventricle. Now to understand more about the vessels and the valves, let us first understand the pathway of the blood in our heart. As we inhale, the oxygen gets attached to the RBC of our blood and hence the blood is oxygenated. Now that oxygenated blood flows from lungs to left auricle, and as I told you, auricle just receives the blood and now further via the bicuspid valve, the blood flows from auricle to ventricle. Now after the left ventricle, as I told you, ventricle has the pumping capability. The left ventricle pumps the blood, the oxygenated blood to our body, and after the cellular respiration, the gaseous waste which is carbon dioxide is produced in our body and that is absorbed by the blood and hence the blood is deoxygenated. Now this deoxygenated blood flows back to the heart and the right auricle receives the deoxygenated blood. And via the tricuspid valve, the deoxygenated blood flows to the ventricle. Now, while the ventricle pumps the blood back to the lungs, this valve prevents the backflow of the blood to right auricle. Now, the lungs. What does the lung do? Lung excrete our gaseous waste, that is carbon dioxide, from our body. So, to understand more about these valves and the vessels via the blood flows in our heart and our body, we'll continue in our next class. Thank you.